TFNN, The Tiger Financial News Network. TFNN Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN, 2 p.m. Eastern Time on Tuesday. 2 hours left to go in the trading day. We got a little bit of volatility in both directions right now. Markets well in the positive, though. S&P is positive by just over 1%, up 35 points at 34.58. We just sold off about 15 points, though, in the last 15 minutes or so. NASDAQ up 100 points at 11,755 for the NQ futures. Dow up 279 points, 28,376. You have the Russell up just shy of a full percent, up 15 points at 1626. We'll start things off, and we'll start it off with the headline. Speaker of the House, Nancy Pelosi, says a stimulus bill is being drafted. She is scheduled to speak with the Secretary of the Treasury, Steve Mnuchin. That call, 1 hour from right now, 3 p.m. Eastern Time. We'll see what is said from there. Remarkable how the story continues. Pelosi said in a Bloomberg television interview that while there are areas where more work is required to get a compromise, she was pleased with the Trump administration's latest position on testing and tracing. The two sides are also in range on other health care provisions, she said. But here's the kicker, folks. Senate roadblock. Even if the two get a deal, Senate Republicans still could loom as a roadblock. A number of the GOP members have balked at a stimulus of the scale that they're talking about between the White House and Democrats. Nonetheless, we'll see what we get this afternoon, 3 p.m. Eastern Time. That call scheduled. The market really charged higher throughout the day. We back things up. Here's your Sunday, Friday action. The market sells off from 3,500 down to about 34.65. Of course, yesterday, quite a day from 34.90 down to 34.10. We just got all the way back up to 34.70. Quite an acceleration right out of the gate at about 11 o'clock. We traded up a solid 40 S&P points, backing off a bit. 2 hours left to go in trading. Commodities, crude, catching a little bit of a bid, 41.41. We got the gold contract trading higher as well, up $5 on the session at 19.17. Had been as low as about 1900 right around the opening bell. Silver up 30 cents at $25 on the dot, and notes and bonds continuing with a little bit of lower price, higher yield. The 10-year negative 5 ticks at 138.24. We're sitting at about 0.78% for the yield on that 10-year, and we'll finish it up with the VIX. Volatility index 2862. After the bell tonight, we got some powerhouse earnings. Netflix, 531, basically flat. Some of the other FANG stocks, you got Microsoft up 0.9%, Amazon shares up 1.3%, and Google coming up under antitrust. They're up 2.3%.